Early this year, the National Road Safety Council and the Department of Education established a partnership by signing a memorandum of understanding to introduce road safety into the education curriculum. The National Road Safety Council, from statistics it has collected, show that young children are at more risk of being killed in road accidents. The Council's acting director, Nelson Terama, strongly believes teaching road safety among children in schools will save more lives.
From 2006 to 2007, about 622 children aged between 15 years or younger were being killed or injured in road crashes, you see. So what we're doing is basically to minimize this. So the teachers will be teaching road safety at a primary level, and when they grow up, it's going to develop. And when they become adults, then they actually know already basics. At the moment, parents cannot teach their school children about how they can look after themselves on the road, because themselves they don't know.
The resource book will be called Child Road Safety once it is completed, and the Department of Education sees the partnership as a good concept.
But I think this resource book that teachers can use to educate the adults and youth as well in the communities. They should do this, provide awareness. We need to reach every province, every district, every school, every community in the country. We've got to do this. Because the Vision 2050 that the national government is talking about, we have to do this to make sure that everybody is safe.
A week-long workshop was conducted this week to bring teachers, curriculum and standard officers from the Department of Education together with officers from the National Road Safety Council to simplify the teachers' resource book, which was drafted by the National Road Safety Council.
We are responsible to make sure a curriculum like this is developed. And that's why we make it our business to take it from where they left and make it suitable, relevant, and appropriate for each of the grade levels. And in this regard, we are doing elementary, lower primary, and upper primary. This book will cover elementary and primary. So lower primary, upper primary, they are primary. And that's the reason why we decided to bring in elementary teachers, primary teachers, and the curriculum officers to come here and help us to make sure that this book is ready to go to the schools.
After several consultation of the resource book by other teachers, it will be printed and distributed to schools to teach next year. Alice Thomas, National EMTV News.